Good day, Miss Alice. How are you today?
I'm good, sir, madam.
Please tell me about yourself.
Sir, madam, I'm Alice Bascukin, 32 years old. I'm married with 3 kids. My husband's welder. I have 9 brothers and 2 sisters. My father's and my mother's both vendors. I'm high school graduate. I've worked housemaid in Philippines 2 years since 2001-2003. My majors are childcare, 5 years old.
Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of child care?
Prepare meal for them, send them to school, play with them, and read storybook to them. I love children very much.
Aside for taking care of child care, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Cook, clean the house, cooking, washing the clothes, sometimes wash the car.
Do you know how to go to market and do the marketing?
Yes, sir, madam.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam. To follow my rules and regulations as a household,
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
to earn money and to help my parents to serve my family.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me. I'm hardworking. I'm an honest person, willing to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you very much. You know the season in Hong Kong before we end. Kindly share your best.